Hey, Brian from Garage Mall. Today we have a multi-tool pen set, and it's basically it's like a mini little traveling tool set. So let's open it up. I'll show you what we get in here. So that is your box with the instructions. So it gives you kind of like a quick overview of how that all works. So hopefully you can kind of like see it from my over the head camera view. And so actually, wow, all right, so you actually get two of these in here, which is like great. So let me just pull this little safety tab thing off there. So that is your light. You basically just kind of like touch it, push it to activate it. So you have a millimeter and the inches on there, so hopefully you can see that from my overhead view. And then let me unscrew this, and then it has it's basically kind of like a for your tablet. Then you open that up. And then you have your little bits. You can put your longer ones in here for your screwdrivers. Oh, that's actually a ballpoint pen. That's pretty cool. So we got to actually undo this. Oh, that pulls apart. So yeah, okay. So that's like your replacement pen tip that's in there. So that's pretty cool. So I think that is spring. Oh, okay. It opens with a twist. Okay, so my bad. So let's put this back together again. That is your multi-tool function there. Screw that on. But yeah, so that is your pen tip on there. So that's pretty cool. Pretty neat. So you always have a pen available to you. And that's like your little bottle opener that you can use. It's got a little clip on it. I like that little feature. It's got a little pen light on there. And that's actually that's pretty bright. So like I say, you get two of these. And you got your extra ink that you can use for your pens. And I just like flung part of the tip across the table. Okay. So let's open that back up again. Then we'll put your little tool tip cover on there, touchpad cover on there. And that's pretty cool because you can just like type around on your phone. But yeah, what a cool little tool pen set that you can bring with you. Anyway, Brian from Garage Hall, and that is your multi-tool pen. Be safe out there. Hey, Brian from Garage Hall. Today I have a WEARXI multi-tool pen. It's a 9-in-1 kit. It's actually pretty cool looking. I was kind of excited to get this. So that gives you kind of like your instructions. Better view for you over camera view for everybody. And then it comes not only with one, but it comes with two of these. So that's pretty cool. So you basically slide it out of your plastic. And then on top, it's got this little plastic tab that you basically throw away, and that's for your light. So that's a pretty bright light that's on top of there. So you get your kind of like cool little bottle opener if you needed it, and it's kind of hard to tell maybe from the overhead camera view. You can see it's got a bubble level in there, and it has a millimeter ruler, and then it has an inches mark on there. And the cool thing about this is it's not going to roll away because it's kind of like a hexagon type shape to it. Then you have your ballpoint pen at the end that you can bring in and out. And then if you unscrew this part, you actually have a little touch thing for like if you have your little computer or your phone, you can use that to touch it. And then if you unscrew that, then you have your little screwdriver flat head and your Phillips head, like for like smaller little things for like your eyeglasses or whatever that you're looking for. But yeah, I mean this has got like a lot of stuff like packed in this little thing. And you get two. You got two pens. You got two pens in this kit. So that's like really really pretty awesome. And we'll go over to the next one because it has some different features than this one. This one does. So we'll just screw that back together. Okay, so on this one, you have a bunch of different things. This one's a little different. It's got the bubble level there as well. It's got your like little clip, but it has a different scale, millimeters, all the way around to inches as well. And then you have your ballpoint pen here on that end of it. And that one, so basically kind of pop that open, and then that takes the longer inks in the kit. So that more is your traditional pen, and then you have your touch point at that end. Then you unscrew that, and then you have your hidden screwdriver in this end of the pen. So that's actually pretty neat. So you get like two different types of pens. One's got a flashlight, a bunch of different inks on this thing, and yeah, that's a pretty versatile kit you got going on there. But all right, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and that is your cool little tactical tool pen kit. All right, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.